Let's elevate your skincare routine with this DIY spa headband. So you'll need 3 cuts of fabric and 2-inch wide elastic, and all measurements can be found in the caption, okay? You're gonna take that longest piece, fold it in half lengthwise, and sew at 1/2 inch seam allowance, then turn the right side out. And then next you'll insert your 2-inch wide elastic into this piece, and then you're going to join the ends in whatever method you prefer. I lined up the ends and then just used a zigzag stitch to join the elastic. Next, you're going to cover up the elastic, and you want to fold in one of the edges and then overlap so that you kind of have a clean finish on the outside. And then I just took it to the machine and did a zigzag stitch. And then we moved on to the bows. So the longer piece, the 7x7, you're going to leave a gap to turn it out. And then the 3x6, you're just gonna fold it and again, right down the edge and turn it right side out. For the bow, I used some polyfill and I just filled in the bow to give it the puffiness. And then I closed up the end with an edge stitch. You can hand stitch if you prefer, that's up to you. And then I took the smaller piece and wrapped it around the middle, sewed it together and cut off the excess, then turned it in, and voila, we have a cutie headband.